In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace formatting, not text, in Microsoft Word. This is perfect when you want to change the look of your document without touching the actual words. For example, turning all bold text into regular text, swapping a specific font for another, or removing unwanted highlighting across a long report. First, open the Find and Replace dialog. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. This brings up the familiar window where you normally search for text. We'll use the same tool, but we're going to target formatting instead. Next, expand the advanced options by clicking the More button at the bottom of the dialog. This reveals extra controls, including the Format button we need. Think of this as opening up the full control panel for precise formatting searches. Click inside the Find What box to make sure your cursor is active there. Then click the Format button at the bottom of the dialog and choose the type of formatting you want to locate. You might pick font to find bold, italics, a specific typeface, size, or color, or choose paragraph to target alignment, indents, or spacing. You can even choose highlight if you want to find everything that's been highlighted. After you pick an option, you'll set the exact formatting criteria you want Word to find, and you'll see a small summary appear under the Find What box confirming your selection. Now click inside the Replace with box. Again, click the Format button and choose the new formatting you want to apply. Set the replacement formatting the same way and confirm that the summary under Replace with shows exactly what you intend. This ensures you're not changing text, just its appearance. Make sure both the Find What and Replace with text fields remain empty. This is crucial. Leaving the text fields blank tells Word that you're not searching for specific words. You're searching for formatting only. If you see any stray characters in those boxes, delete them before continuing. When everything looks right, click Replace All. Word will scan your document and instantly apply the new formatting wherever it finds the old formatting you specified. You'll get a confirmation message telling you how many replacements were made. If you're working on an important document, consider running this on a copy first so you can review the results with confidence. And remember, if something doesn't look right, you can undo immediately with Ctrl+Z. That's all there is to it. Using Find and Replace for formatting is a fast, precise way to polish your document without retyping a thing.